Hi guys, today I'm making a pumpkin soup. Here is the pumpkin soup. Hot. And look at this beautiful soup. Can you carry that?
Nee, ik kan dat niet.
Look at the beautiful color. This one we're gonna wash it first. Put it on the side here. Now garlic. Chop the garlic and then the onion. Garnish it. I just take the green. It's already washed, yeah. I already have the pumpkin and carrot, big onion and garlic, and this is the nutmeg. This one. Can you see? I just use a little bit and coriander leaf. Add the butter. Smell already so good. And then we add the carrot and the pumpkin. And then stir it. Until it's like this. I add the water, but normal you can use the chicken stock. But okay, I just add the water. This also chicken stock tablet. Maggi. I just put this one. One is enough. A teaspoon salt. Nutmeg. This is nutmeg. If you don't know, this one is look like this. Just you get it and cover for about 40 minutes. About 40 minutes in the and low the fire. Okay, 40 minutes. Wow. This already done. We're gonna blender it. Look at that. Wow. So we add the pepper. Sour cream. Creme fraiche. And then we gonna stir it. Okay, I have to pick up this one for soup. This looks so good. It's already finished. Now we gonna put it in the... Wow. Add the cream, little bit cream. Also parsley. little bit of olive oil, just a few drop. There you go, beautiful pumpkin ready to serve. How about this one? There you go, pumpkin. Ta-da!